Good morning to you wonderful subscribers to the channel. It's much appreciated. Thank you. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, it only takes a second, and again, it'd be much appreciated. What I want to talk to you about today is making an interior your own. Now what I mean by that is there's lots of free interiors you can have. There's all kinds of sites. I've been a member of Creative Fabrica for maybe 2 years, and I use Lulu, for instance, lulu.com. There's some free templates there. There's BookBolt if you want to leave your credit card details with them. I don't know, I don't register like that for free items. But anyway, there's lots of other places you can get your free interiors from. Now, for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you very quickly Creative Fabrica. We type in Creative Fabrica. Now, I've not got a link to that. Well, actually, I could probably put a link in the description just for this one. But it won't be an affiliated link, because I don't agree with an affiliated link for this. Because as you can see here, once we've gone into Creative Fabrica, 1 month full access, $1. Renews at $19. I'm paying $12. So, and people have paid a lot less, I believe. But so what you've got to do is you've got to look out for the deals, because once you subscribe, I mean that's a big difference. $7 a month. That's quite a hefty chunk. And you could always, if I just click on this to get to their main page, and you could look for discount deals. Click on discount deals, and you could get notified when there's a reduction in the cost in the monthly subscription. So you could try that. Otherwise, just keep checking on it every now and then. If I get wind of a bit of a discount, I'll make sure that people know there's a discount going for Creative Fabrica. It is a great site, and it's a great site for creators who want to sell their wares. Right, so if we type in here KDP, and we'll have a look at some of these items here, that all kinds, it goes on. Thousands and thousands. KDP interiors, 71,000. I mean, that's a lot. And they break it down, print templates, colouring pages for adults, KDP keywords, crafts, colouring pages, books, illustrations. I'm not trying to sell this to you because I'm not going to put an affiliate link into my description. Because like I say, I think your best bet is trying to get it for a lot less. And you can get it for a lot less. It could be just a case of waiting. Right, so we'll choose something. We're going to choose this one. KDP Interiors Mail Tracker Logbook. And if I scroll down here, looking for something interesting, I'll go with meal planners. Now these are only examples, but it just goes to show there's 71,000 items there for KDP. Now, if they're all interiors, you can make one of each and just tailor it to yourself in some way. Maybe even put a little bit of a logo in there if you wanted to, if you've got a bit of a brand set up. So I'm going to download both of these. Commercial and full print-on-demand usage allowed. Now, I don't really need to change this book in any way, but if someone else is selling this book, if there's another 10,000 people selling this book, and it's all the same interior, that's a disaster. That could really infuriate Amazon, and they could decide to do something with my account, and I really wouldn't like that. I wouldn't like any warnings. I'm sure I'll get a warning for it, which then it means going over all my books and just removing things so I don't get another warning in case they find something else. We're given this option in a zip file, and there it is in a PDF. So I'll right click, I'll cut that, and I'll put it into a file that I can work from. Then I go to Canva, and I create a new design. I import that file that we've downloaded, and it'll open like this. Now, the problem with this one, I've done this for an example because, yeah, there's a few things we can change here to make it our own. We can get rid of that for a start. And we could put a different thing in. We could actually go to elements here. We could look at mail. Let's just type that in. We could put that in there. Now, the reason I've done that in colour is because this is a colour interior. There's a few problems with this. We don't really want a colour interior. We don't have to pay for the colour. when it goes on. And if by chance we get a look inside feature available for this, people will see that there is a colour, pink, and when they get the book delivered, it's black and white. So the best thing to do in this case is change everything. If we're going to have a black and white book, we don't want people to look inside on a colour image. That would be disastrous. You know, you're going to be getting bad reviews. You don't want that. You want it to look like it's. You want the look inside feature to look like it's going to look. Edit image. Go down here to filters, see all, and we'll pick either grayscale or street. Now I like street because they're more vivid. That's that, and we can do that with all of them. So at least, and the same with this image here, edit image, filters, and we'll go with street. So we're keeping things the way they're going to look on the look inside feature. So don't worry about the colour. The other problem with this type of file is you can't do anything with it. There's nothing. I can't touch anything. It's a photograph, basically. It's a bit of a disaster. So yeah, you can make a few changes like this, change a few words and do a bit, but that's really pretty much all you can do. So we'll go to the other one that I've downloaded, which is the meal planner. Now this is much better because every element in here we can alter. Lines, text, weekly meal planner, weekly meal planner. I mean, that doesn't even look right. So we could change that, get rid of that planner, and actually put weekly meal planner and drag that across until it fits. Drag it to the center of here until it hits that sort of center line. Keep it low, and I want to center that. That looks better. Now we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We could change this background on this. Don't have to have that. You know, we could leave that as it is, or we could put a totally different background on altogether. So let's have a look at some backgrounds. Or let's just type in elements and food. I'll take that one and I'll put that in there. Oh, actually, I might just keep it in there. And we can make that kind of faint by going up here to this checkered box. Make it super faint so it sits in the background and even send it to the back. So, yeah, I mean, we've really altered that. Now, there's only 2 pages in this. So we can actually remove all of these other pages if we wanted to, rather than do this to every single one. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and, yep. So we could just delete all of these if we wanted to, rather than go through all the pain of changing every one. And then we could duplicate these 2 pages. Duplicate and move it down. Go to the next one. Duplicate and move it down. Before you know it, we've got a whole book completely changed. Then, once complete, we use the download feature and we click PDF print and we download to a file where we can upload to Amazon from there. And that's the interior done.